Hi everyone and welcome back to Good Brothers. It's that time of the month where we start talking about the monthly wine club. For those that aren't involved already, you should be. It's a great way to try loads of amazing wines every month at a really affordable rate. So March, we're heading south of the equator. We're heading to South Africa and we're looking at new wave South African producers. We've got 4 brilliant wines. We're looking at ARENDSIG Chenin Blanc, an amazing natural Chenin coming out of Stellenbosch. We're looking at Sutherland Chardonnay, cool coastal Chardonnay, brilliant, light and fresh. We're then going up to Morgenstern and we're looking at the Laurens River 2010 Bordeaux blend. If you like your Bordeaux wines, you will be blown away by this, and the value is amazing. And then we're finishing off with Richard Kershaw, MW's Boot Smuggler, SYRAH Grenache. These are brilliant wines, lots of different regions, loads of fun to be had. The only way to get involved is to sign up and get your pack delivered out to you. Remember, if you sign up by the 13th, you get it delivered out by the 15th, 16th, and likewise, second round at the end of the month. So go across the website, sign up, and enjoy the fun. Take care, guys. See you soon.